What's up, traders, and welcome back to another update at the Bull Ring. So today I want to follow up a little bit on what we talked about yesterday, and that is CPI. So CPI data will be coming out tomorrow, and wanted to go over a few things so that you guys understand exactly what's going on. And you can see here in our little blue box, we have all the banks in the world. These are all the central banks that let people borrow money. So you can see that we are still sitting at 5.5% with Russia and Brazil. Wow, top two in the world, 16% and 10.75. Try to buy a house from one of those guys. Now, if you look closely here, guys, you're going to see that everybody is just about the same with the percentage rates that they're lending money out in. Some of them are a little bit higher, some are a little bit lower. So this means that nobody is budging, guys. As soon as we budge, I think the rest of the world will start coming down. So if you guys are interested and you guys want to check out this Fed rate monitor tool, it's a pretty cool tool that tells us what's the percentage or the chance that the Fed is going to raise more rates or cut them. Now, we come over here and click on this Fed rate monitor tool, guys. We can come in here and see that at the moment, the Fed is looking at 95.8% that they are going to pause the rate hikes, guys. And there's a 4.2% chance that they're actually going to cut. So right now it's looking like there's not going to be any good cuts coming in the near future. But if you're interested, guys, this is the next time they're going to meet, May 1st. So this calculator and rate monitor tool are out there in case you guys want to keep up with the Fed. Now, tomorrow, the CPI report will be published here at bls.gov, guys. And you will see down here, there's a little PDF button. So if you want to come by and grab that report, you'll be able to see what CPI came in at, and they break it all down, all items, food, energy, but it'll be in a PDF report, or you can do chart, whichever one of these you like. But I usually go grab the PDF to see what's going on and what are the latest numbers. Now, here is what CPI has been coming in at for the last 12 months, guys. Okay, if you wanted to go to this website, you can get this information. But one of the things that you need to be aware of tomorrow is that CPI is forecasted to come in higher. So they're saying that inflation is going to go up. So last month was 3.1, 2.9, and so on and so on. But they're expecting inflation to hit 3.4%, guys. So what does this mean for the market? Well, if this number is higher, that's not going to be good for the market. But if it's lower, I could see where there's a rally. But if you look at this here, and this is the most important part if you're going to be a trader, okay, and an investor, you want to go look at at least the last three actuals and see what happens. So you can see we came in above expectation on every single one. So what happened to the market when that happened? That's the best thing for you as a trader. Go do homework. Go look at the chart and see what happened at 1:30 p.m. because this report comes out at 1:30 p.m. What happened after the report came out? Did the stock market go up? Because the last three times it was a higher number, guys, than what was expected. So what did the market do? Did it go up? Did it go down? Well, that's some good homework for you guys, and I'm going to leave that to you. I already looked at the chart, and I know what happened the last three times. All right, so let's take a look at SPX and what's going on. So for now, we have SPX doing kind of the same thing it did yesterday. Market's almost closing here, guys. We're probably about 40 minutes away from the market close. But for the meantime, you see that SPX did have a nice fall, and then it came and rallied back up. Check this out. So we came down here on the 5th, right? And then now, look, we're doing the same pattern again. So what happens when the CPI report comes out? Well, the market's going to do what it usually does, guys. And if you go back and do the homework, which will be a great activity for you, you're going to see that we rallied up for about 30 minutes on one of those dates. And on another date, we rallied down for about 30 minutes. Okay. when we rallied up, then the next day, go check it out, we continued to go down because the trend was going down. So one of the things I said in the past is that whatever the stock market is doing, when you get news or a report, guys, it is just a small detour for the stock. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Now on the screen, I have the 30-minute chart, and you can see that we are still in a downtrend, guys. Okay. The stock market potentially can change directions here, right? But we're in a downtrend. So that means that if the report comes out and people rally, we could see this happening in the next couple of days where it comes back down. So be prepared for a roller coaster. Don't think that tomorrow is going to be the crash. That's not happening. We're going to go up, we're going to go down. Same thing like you've been seeing here in the last few weeks, that they're not letting this die. Okay. And then they're taking it across. Be careful there. But just like this afternoon, we're starting to see some chop right in here. Okay. And they're trying to rally at this moment, but you're going to see we have resistance here. We have resistance there, and huge resistance right in this small area, guys. Let me change that up to make it a little bit nicer. So you can see right in here, guys, that is a lot of chop. Okay, so be careful. Okay, make sure you guys, if you are swing trading, make sure you're at least working off the 30-minute clouds, guys. These are your entries for puts or calls. Green is the calls, red is your short. Okay, this is if you're swing trading. So you can set a nice alert while you're at work. You'll get the alert, you go in there, sell, buy, backwards, buy, sell. Okay, imagine you're at work and you enter the trade, then you get an alert because it's flipping up here. That's beautiful. Nice way to make money, guys. So be careful with your trades. If you're a day trader, guys, you should be in the bull ring. Okay, I'll leave you guys a link below, and you guys can go check out the bull ring for $1 a day. 30-day money back guarantee, but $1 a day, guys. Can't go wrong. Okay, so until the next video, guys, wishing you a green day tomorrow.